Alright, in this video we'll show you how to make another kind of questionnaire that the children have to look at the picture and say yes and no, for example. And I'm going to use Micaela's workshop. Look, Mica, you have a workshop for you to make the questionnaires so that teachers can export them from there. So what we are going to do, añadir una actividad o recurso, you will see that the steps are always the same. Remember, when we create a questionnaire, we do it in 2 steps. First, we publish it, and then we add the questions. So I choose questionnaire. Nombre of the questionnaire will be, look at the picture. Say yes or no. Description, I can add it or not, and I'm going to put temporalización, habilitar, and that's all I need to do. Guardar cambios y regresar al curso. So first I publish the questionnaire. Now that I see it in the course, I'm going to add questions to it. So I click on it, I open it, no questions, so editar cuestionario, and I'm going to add a question. And the kind of questionnaire that I will teach you how to make today is called emparejamiento. I choose this kind of question, nombre de la pregunta 1. Here in texto de la pregunta, I'm going to, as I said, children have to look at a picture and say yes or no. So here I'm going to upload the picture. Look, I have here this kind of exercise that I've taken from, well, never mind where I took it from. But you see, they look at the picture and they write yes or no. So I'm going to use my Recortes tool. Do you know this tool? If you don't know it, all computers have this tool. If you go to this part of your computer and you put snipping tool, in Spanish it is called Recortes. I think that everybody has them. Let me move this again here, and when you open it, this will open. You click a rectangular snip and you click new, and what you do is you select, I'm going to make it smaller. I'm going to select this part, edit, copy, and then I go back to the question I was editing and I put Control copy and Control V to paste it. Alright, and there it is. And I'm not going to, well, barajar the questions, and here, pregunta 1. And that is, there are 4 children in the room. Pregunta 1, there are 4 children in the room. Okay, and the answer is yes. Here you put the correct answer. Question 2 is, there is a dog under the table. Oh, sorry. There is a dog under the table. There is a dog under the table, and the answer is no. And question 3, there is a mouse in the room. And the question is no. The answer is no. So I'm going to guarde cambios y continúe editando, so I can show you how this is, this looks. I'm going to put it in vista previa, and I really don't like, wait, too big. In vista previa, they will see it like this. There is a mouse in the room, and they have to choose yes or no. And the mouse is no. There are 4 children in the room. Yes, I hate that it says elegí in Spanish, but well, there is a dog under the table. No. And that's it. And then enviar y terminar. This is what happens when they do it. They get the ticks that it's okay. Alright? So I continue editing. I can add more questions, you see. Here it says question 3, we got up to question 3, más conjuntos de espacios en blanco, and I put more questions. Alright? Question 4, a boy is playing with a train. Alright, and this is it. A boy is playing with a train. I put, but I suppose I finished the respuesta of the boy is playing with a train is no. So, and then I guardar cambios. And you will be able to see it. If I want to add another question, a different question, I click here. If not, it's ready. So I go to my section and I have the look at the pictures, yes and no. And this is how the children will see it. Okay? And that's it. Okay, I hope this helps. Bye.